This is my favorite perfume as of the moment. This is Lancome Idol. The smell of this is what I imagine a princess would smell like. Kasi very feminine, very elegant yung pagka-floral niya, and very sweet din yung dry down, which I love. Okay, basa-basa ulit tayo ng notes. So, this perfume, Lancome Idol, is a fresh floral, and the top notes are pear, bergamot, and pink pepper. Middle notes are rose and jasmine, and the base notes are white musk, vanilla, patchouli, and cedar. Alam niyo, nung nagbabasa ako ng reviews on this perfume, kasi sabi nila sobrang bango daw talaga, ganyan. Tapos that time kasi hindi ko pa siya naaamoy. So I was skeptical na ganun kaya talaga yung amoy niya. Pero nung talagang naamoy ko na, ay sabi ko, ay, ang bango, ang ganda ng amoy niya. Parang ang ganda ko lalo, ganun. Parang dumoble yung kagandahan ko pag suot-suot ko tong pabango na to. OA man sa OA, pero this perfume is very feminine, pretty girl kind of scent talaga. Nakaka-fresh siya, tapos para talagang ang ganda mo, ganun. So, alam ko naman na maganda ka na, pero kung gusto mo pang dumagdag yung kagandahan mo, this is the perfume that I will recommend that you get.